sambat gid khot jang ka Jaintia National Council hapo ka jingilamo president uba sambor mi lingdo menta ka singi kilalet hirsha office tray kam jang ka power grid ka badan haden chenrom is Jaintia's district badawa bagadai ban thungkam biang yaki khandai ngot ki pulit home guard ki bakat kanat kala be kam no yaki la tepru bakite ibla shabe kam kidai kibla tray la bon snam don kibla tray menta khatsan snam khan reu snam bat chipo snam ro kani ka jing sha pando kam kala bo jing e hadu kata yaki bakala pensa omdom yaki ru habaya kren bat ki he jong ka power grid nakaliang ka sang kala berngem bala ka power grid kam thung kam biang yaki ka sang kan le da ka bating e bat halor kani nakaliang ki he jong ka power grid bakan thopu chief manager ka power grid NERTS Santanu Das KK Boro bade deputy manager bad assistant manager Sumit kilapan por nakasang hadu nriu tarik upanai jemang araja arpusan ban penbet halor kani kamat ki khandai ngot ki bla shabe kam ki dei ki traishnong ki bana rilom Jaintia hi nakata kaseng kasngau kia hadu kata halor kani ga jing shabe kam no ki trai muluk ki trai jaga halor ka jing shabe kam ki khandai ngot ki pulit home guard tungin ngap mentai ke jingkren bat ke jing penchai na president ke JNC uba sambor mi lingdo
neliang kayong i ka Jaintia National Council haden wada yo jing TV wakani ka power grid ka WM ini apa Densenrom ini apa East Jaintia Hill District da penduk krek ka ya ki kendengut ki home guard ki wa naini napa Jaintia kayong i da kemensen ka wasnyau khia negisngi na kaliang kayong i ke JNC da hiari wa yachem wa he yang kini ka power grid u santudas u wada sign la yakini ka notification wa u kriya kam no yakini ki kendengut te i na kaliang kesenhi da dawajori na kini ka power grid wa ta upnek ka ya kini ki kendengut ta ha ke jingi kelam yang i wa kini ka power grid da chemi wa ta kini ka jingthmu ka yang ka wa thung no da kiwitawan ki agency woman kam kita ki security guard hapo kani ka power grid to langba ka jingyo approval gi na ka state government te ihi na kaliang ka JNC snyawi wo penremjor ya kani ka state government ka ka jingba khle ne benta ki civil defense home guard ki ka hejing sekhiat hi hawa ka state government da go ya ki civil defense ne ya ki home guard ile hab sajau san approval ya kita ki central agency ne ba kini ki home guard ki i jegi ukra do hapo Meghalaya Henry kini ki central agency jegi ukra hawra ka wi kari India nitai da hojing sket hi kam ka state government mto ilat ga ya kini ki agency ki wa nabar wa u kini gi ya ka ki ka kre yang ka ki nong chong chunong yang ka state ka yang i te ihi kam ka JNC da wajuri na kini ka power grid ka jingi kelam ko yang i te na kaliang ko yang ki depan por gini i hadu kini ka sngi nengkong ka sngi war te ine kaliang ka sen da kini ka power grid wam ye ga u penne ya kini ki kendengut ini kaliang kesen hi daulai da kaluti ka wateng ne benta ka hok yang kari wa kajai buru ka yang i ne ba kani ka jingle sautho i wata fail ga nado na ka state government ta hagini kisngi ki wadawan la ini kaliang ka JNC wam kut ga kani ka jingi kalam ko yang ido hini da persangi le we kalam wa minister concern wa upat ya kani ka benta wam to ilat ya kita ki agency ki wanabar hawadang ki buru ka yang i ka agency yang ka state government ka yang i takani ke jingjam MJ ka do hini henrai la dapat ji haklen la dapat ji ki private company ki am po kani ke district ka yang ila yo wato ki agency ki wato yang ki security guard wanra gi na barbai kani hi penpau go ke jingyo roj ya kari wa ka bru ka yang i kani hi penyogo wa ka sarkar mem chanya go la ne ken po go ya kiri wa ka bru ka yang i ki wa da train ki wa da ya ka training ka wa biang woman kam ki security guard te hi kwa pha ka message ka clear cha ka state government wa kani ke jing elat ya kini ki company le ne ya ki office yang ka central government wa wanra ya ki agency ki wanabar man go ka jingkne ya ka jakpo yang kari wa ka jai buru ko yang i te i kwa pha ka message ko clear sa ka state government wam to elat go wat ya kini ki private company la ka jing skat wat ya kini ki cement plan la to elat go ya ki agency kam ka civil defense home guard ko yang i woman ki kam ka security guard ne ba kam yoi wa to ka jing kerdo jam po ka state ko yang i deman go chawa palat Handre ko pensau CE wada perdi ke ni ke jing do kam do jam ka state government ke yang i dang perchangga we approval ya kita ki agency ki waman ki central agency wole gi ya kita ka security guard ke yang ki po ka state ke yang i te jing pentip wa kini ki security guard ki wa da cha kendria kam ne ni deman gi ki wa kra ini la kam wa chipau khat san snem Takani man ga kayi ka wapan sausi yi kam kasen. Wayo wata do ne da wa ka sarkar approval ga yakini ki agency ki wanabar kini ki wada kira da ki chpau katan snem habduk yu ya ka kam ka jam ko yonki. Ta ida wajur wata openne yakini la da ka sarkar mi go openne ine ka lang kasen daw le da ki kam ki wateng hejo por la kentu ya ka state government was nyau bahau per khatwa ya ka home guard department ka yang ka state ka yang lada am kam wamje ka ni ka home guard department upun biang bru imam percaya iwan ki wanabar. Henrekat badang je ton thoi kilat kiluti wa u ikrat swa yakini ki home guard ki yang ki wa po ka state ki yang and if you need in writing also we'll provide in writing. We are not against the
Understood, sir. We understood. We are also very much sympathetic with the
agency like
look,
but
understood.
if it is a new company it can be done, but here too you have been taking 10 to 15 years like
I understand, sir. We completely empathize with you.
We
But
also
the thing is that even we cannot do anything. We are bound by our company higher management. So as you requested, we'll also request our higher management to consider this. But it will take some time for us to convey our message to them.
as long as you'll talk with your higher management, I think this post should be leave like this only empty.
That
you can put them those जो पहले काम करता
समझ रहा है, मैं समझ रहा हूँ। आप उसको रिन्यू करने चाह रहे थे, लेकिन what is the under the DGR sponsorship, everyone should be ex service.
ex service वो भी तो सर्विस है ना
This is
उनका
the-
भी
okay, sir.
Right.
Sir, just
This
listen to me.
is the main
Until
criteria.
this thing is resolved, we cannot employ both DGR and Home Guard together.
It should be a combination.
So what I am thinking, my personal thinking is that for some days let this post be held by DGR, because we cannot pay Home Guards now because the contract is over
Already
with
closed,
Home Guard.
and it is the last day. 34 is the last day.
And
Okay.
if both DGR and Home Guard stay together, we are bound to pay them both. And we cannot pay both now because contract with Home Guard has ended yesterday and DGR has started today. So for some time, let DGR handle it, and in the meantime, we are discussing with our higher management. Will that be okay?
no, if the DGR will take charge then
No, I'm not saying
We-
complete, just for some time.
suppose now we'll give the DGR to take charge and after 1 month you'll remove the DGR also, that will be an issue.
No, that will not be an issue.
So I
If
think,
Actually,
I think the best
if
idea
the
is
old-
to keep fast this जो previous person था जो security का था उसको रखना चाहिए अभी जब तक ये solve नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ये तो state government
Understood, sir.
involved है, so we also will discuss with the state government because we are against this.
but
What is the use of our state civil defense, this Home Guard, if we have to take security from central agency? There is a lot of central institute in another state.
understood,
They can work.
sir.
They are a central agency. They can work in the whole India, but our Home Guard can only work in Meghalaya.
Understood, sir.
So
I'm
this
just
is for, with due respect to the DGR, they can work in Guwahati, in all the state of India because they are central agency. But this civil defense Home Guard of our state, they can only work in Meghalaya. So if we neglect their right in their own state, so where do they get their job?
exactly, sir. I
So
completely
we from
agree.
the council, we demand from your power grid to keep this 9 security Home Guard, to keep this on their post.
chief manager.
क्या
Chief manager.
आप है ना?
Yes.
तो अभी क्या करेगा, तो जो पहले था वो रखो, पहले डिस्कशन के बाद देखेगा, क्योंकि इसमें तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी इन्वॉल्व है, so we need to talk with the government, and first of all we need to talk with the concerned minister of this civil defense Home Guard. It is not in the hand of the chief secretary to approve what he wants, because we have the minister in charge of the civil home defense Home Guard. So first of all, it should be the concern of the minister.
ओके, हम लोग जो है आपका जो रिक्वेस्ट जो है ना थोड़ा HQ से हम लोग बात कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? तो जैसे इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं उस हिसाब से फिर हम लोग जो है आपसे बैठते हैं, ठीक है?
तो अभी जो नो है उसका क्या करेगा, रखना पड़ेगा ना?
कोई दैट डिसीजन आई कैन टेक बिकॉज बाई पेपर जो है DGR हैज टू टेक ओवर द चार्ज। हाँ? ठीक है, तो दैट पॉइंट ऑल्सो आई विल डिस्कस। इनको फिलहाल मैंने जब तक डिसीजन ना हो जाए इनको कंटिन्यू करना है या फिर क्या किया जाए?
So as of now, who will fill that vacant post of those 9? Who will fill it?
DGR will
Yeah,
do
but
that.
how many
Yeah.
from that out of 9? How many local are there?
I know only these 3 have came.
Nang limut we wan.
Kemudian di kending udah pendapat kosong tak nunggu di Bruyok ini. Berat.
Hey, sir. Yes, but discussing our feedback. Lalu bisa CP, makin asli, ya no perahi.